Today, we're taking a quick look at the Dell Latitude 3450, a business-class laptop designed for productivity, reliability, and everyday performance. Let's start with performance. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 135U processor, featuring 10 cores and speeds up to 4.4 GHz. That means smooth multitasking, whether you're working on documents, browsing with multiple tabs, or handling light creative tasks. Paired with 8GB of DDR5 RAM, it delivers solid day-to-day performance, though heavy users might want an upgrade. For storage, you get a 512GB PCIe Gen for SSD. It's fast, responsive, and gives you plenty of space for files, apps, and media. Graphics are handled by integrated graphics, which is perfectly fine for office work, streaming, and light editing, but this isn't a gaming machine. You're getting a 14-inch Full HD IPS panel with 400 nits brightness and 100% sRGB coverage. Colors look vibrant, and the anti-glare coating makes it comfortable to use even in bright environments. It's a great screen for both work and casual content consumption. In terms of connectivity, Dell gives you a solid selection of ports. You get USB 4 with DisplayPort and power delivery, multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and even PowerShare support. So whether you're connecting monitors or accessories, you're covered. The laptop also features a precision touchpad, a full HD 1080p webcam for clear video calls, and a 3-cell 54Wh battery. Dell claims up to around 9.5 hours of battery life, which should easily get you through a workday. It's ideal for students, office users, and professionals who need a reliable daily driver.